to hide or archive and unhide or unarchive WhatsApp messages without deleting them. Maybe you are receiving large sum of messages and you don't want to delete some messages. So in order to archive them, and archiving is just storing them that you may use them for future references, you just click the WhatsApp messages which you want to archive and then click this arrow here. It looks like an arrow showing you want to archive. You just click it. It is next to this three dotted icon. It is in the left of this three dotted icon here, and the chats will be archived and hidden. Later they will be hidden. But if you want to unarchive them or dearchive them, what you need to do is just click the archive option and then mark them again, and then click this arrow here in the upper right hand side of your GB WhatsApp. It is close to these three dotted icon, and after clicking them, you'll be restored again into your gadget. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to give the video a thumb up so that you will not miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.